take a look at this AI application here. Very, very powerful AI application. So as you can see here, there's a lot of template which you can use for this AI. You have the Nano Banana Pro option which you can use as well. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription for this application here. So as you can see at the top, you have a lot of AI videos template which you can use. If I do tap on that option, I'll be able to see a lot of video templates which you can use. Even this one here, which is very popular on TikTok and YouTube right now, and a lot of them which you can use. All you have to do is just select the one that you want to use. And let's say, for example, this one here, all I have to do is just upload a clear image of myself and I pretty much get these results. So you do require 200 credits to generate this video. However, I cannot find the credit section for this application. So once you do get your subscription, you'll be able to use any one of these templates or features here, and it will require you credits, but I don't know why there is no credit section. But however, you have a lot of AI tools and anything that you can use for this. As you can see here, if I do tap on the AI image generator section here, all I have to do is just upload a clear image of myself, and you should be able to get any one of these results. You can tap on the template section here and be able to use any one of these here. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription, guys, but you can use any one of these here. Once you have selected the one that you want to use, let's say for example this one here, tap on OK at the tick at the top there, you'll be able to see the prompt that's been generated. And as well, you can enter your own style as well, not just using AI templates. You can just enter what you want to modify or what you want to be done in the video, or any effects at all. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you have elements as it relates to this, as you can see here, putting two images or 4 images together. And as you can see here, this is pretty much what Elements AI image generation is. So this pretty much explains it very, very good. And as well, you do have the section to enter what you want. And as well, you tap on this plus icon here to pretty much upload your images. And down here, they do give you AI templates which you can try out. And if I do tap on the all option here, I'll be able to see all the AI templates which you can use. So very, very good. As well, you can go down here to select the resolution, not the resolution, the resolution. As you can see here, you can select the 4K option to 2K, and as well the model that you'll be using, and as well the aspect ratio. So do make sure to not forget to select these options as well. So as it relates to the video section, generating your AI videos, very, very simple. You can upload, upload a picture of yourself and pretty much describe what you want to do and something like that. Very simple. And as well, you can use any one of these AI templates, and yeah, so you just select the one that you want and it will pretty much give you the prompt for it. And I'll have to just upload a clear image of yourself, guys, or a clear image basically. Down here, do make sure to select the options as it relates to the model, because the model is going to determine the quality of the video, and as well the resolution and how long you want the video to be. Do keep in mind how long the video is going to be, and as well the quality of the video determines how much coins you're going to need to generate the video. So it's not going to be the same amount of credits. So that's really pretty much it, and there's a lot of other features here which you can as well use. You have the sort 2, you have image expansion, a lot of them, guys. If I do tap on the option down here where it says AI tools, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it, but they may need to fix that because it's a bit too low. But anyways, here this section you'll be able to see all the tools as it relates to this application. You have the AI ear, you have the AI outfit, which you can use as well, a lot of them. And if you guys do want me to go through these specifically, you can comment below as well. Down here in the me section, this is pretty much where you will see all the pretty much everything that's been generated within this application here. And as I said before, I haven't been able to find the credit section, so I can't tell you how much credit I pretty much have. But to get credits, you're going to need a subscription, guys. So to get the subscription, if you're going to need the section here and tap on the Pro option here, and you'll be able to see their Pro subscription. They do offer a lifetime access to their application. I'm not sure if that entails with you generating for free forever or you will need any credits. I'm not sure on that, but you do get extra credit, as you can see here. And for a 1 week subscription, as you can see here, you get 400 credits per week. So I'm not sure about that as well. So you may need to contact their support team or whatever the case is for that. But anyways, that's it for this application here. If I've missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.